Hello to everybody listening on the radio. Hello to everybody watching on the television. Or tomorrow night, if you've got Sky Plus. Oh, yes. Hello to everybody. And thanks very much for coming tonight. Thanks very much. It's going to be a very special night indeed. I'd personally like to thank you for coming out and missing the last episode of Ultimate Force with Ross Kemp. Very good of you. It's my job to introduce the star turn tonight, ladies and gentlemen. He's a local lad who's done very well for himself in the old music game. He's played with some amazing people over the years. Stevie Wonder, Rupert the Bear, and the Beatles. Oh! You've heard of them? I thought it was just me. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring him on now. I've got to tell you, I heard the sound check yesterday afternoon, and it was shocking, ladies and gentlemen, absolutely shocking. He's dropped all the breakdancing, he's not doing any of that. I've hit his lino, and he's dropped the Right Said Fred medley, ladies and gentlemen. In conjunction with Liverpool County Council, BBC Radio Merseyside, and Heatwave, Sunbed Centre, Norris Green. It's my duty to reveal that Britain has got talent, ladies and gentlemen. And his name is Sir Paul Mildred McCartney! Thank you.
For goodness sake, I got to hear me in the shade. I get this shade. I got to hear me in the shade. I can't keep still when they hear me in the shade. I get my thrill when they hear me in the shade. Oh man, they hear me in the shade. Shake, shake, with all in your mind, you say. And the hippie shake. Oh, babe. The hippie shake. said, listen, babe, I got something to say. I got no car and it's breaking my heart, but I found a driver that's a star. Maybe you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Maybe you can drive my car, but baby, I love you. Beep, 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 yeah. Beep, 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 yeah. Beep, 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 yeah. Beep, 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 yeah.
Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you everybody, thank you for coming along here tonight to Anfield. In the city of culture. At the center of the universe. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was born just down the road here, Walton Hospital. Rice Lane. And I lived in Sunbury Road, not far from here. You don't want to hear that. It's my show, I'll say what I want. I was alone, I took a ride, I didn't know what I would find. Another road where maybe I could see another kind of mind. Ooh, then I suddenly see you. Ooh, did I tell you I need you every single day of my life? You didn't run, you didn't hide, you know I wanted just to hold you. Had you gone, you knew in time we meet again, 'cause I had told you. Ooh, you were meant to be near me. Ooh, and I want you to hear me say we'll be together every day. Got to get you into my life. What can I do? What can I be? When I'm with you, I wanna stay. And if I'm true, I'll never leave. And if I do, I know the way. Ooh, then I suddenly see you. Ooh, did I tell you I need you every single day of my life? Got to get you into my life. Got to get you into my life. I was alone, I took a ride, I didn't know what I would find there. Another road where I could see another kind of mind there. Then suddenly I see you. Did I tell you I need you? I got to get you into my life. Thank you. I'm just going to take a moment to drink this all in. Hang on. This one's for Linda. when I go away, I know my heart can stay with my love. It's understood. It's in the hands of my love. And my love does it good. Whoa, 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 my love does it good. And when the cupboard's bare, I'll still find something there with my love. It's understood. It's everywhere with my love. My love does it good. Whoa, 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 whoa. My love does it good. Oh, my love. Oh, my love. Only my love holds the key to me. Oh, my love. Oh, my love. Only my love does it good to me. My love does it good. Don't ever ask me why. I never say goodbye to my love. It's understood. It's everywhere with my love. My love does it good. My love does it good. Oh, my love. Oh, my love. Only my love does it good to me. Oh, 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 oh,
Thank you.
the long and winding road that leads to your door will never disappear. I've seen that road before. It always leads me here. nights that the rain washed away, I was left a pool of tears, crying for the day. Why keep me waiting here? Let me know the way. Many times I've been alone, and many times I cried. Anyway, you never know the many ways I've tried. Still they lead me back to the long and winding road. You left me standing here a long, long time ago. Oh, yeah. Don't keep me waiting here. Lead me to your door. Lead me to your door. Oh, yeah. But still they lead me back to the long and winding road. You left me standing here a long, long time ago. Yeah. Don't keep me waiting here. Don't keep me waiting. Lead me to your door. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, you know, you don't know what to say. I mean, you know, it's great for me because every time I come back up to Liverpool, it's like all the memories come flooding back, you know. Yeah, well, you know. Me and the lads, and remember there was a little thing that me and George used to do, you know, as kids when we were showing off, trying to learn guitar. We used to do a little thing, it was by J.S. Bach, it was like our party piece. I got it wrong, I think he got it right actually, but anyway. My bit went like this. Okay, all right. Supposed to go, but I didn't know that bit. Anyway, so I went.